Welcome back to our channel. I am Hazel. Kung naaalala niyo pa po ako, this will be my first ever video update this 2025. And tomorrow is Valentine's Day. Kaya ako nag-decide na mag-click ng video recording ngayon because I am planning to bake cookie for Sean's office mates for tomorrow since it is Valentine's Day. Okay, so eto, na-prepare ko na lahat ng mga ingredients na nandito. Kunin ko lang and then mag-start na tayo mag-mix ng cookies. Hindi ko nakuha yung pang-sieve ko. Kunin ko lang. Start tayo, guys. This is 1 1/2 cup of flour, and then isi-sieve ko lang other dry ingredients, which is yung combination ng baking powder, baking soda, I think tig 1 teaspoon each siya, cocoa powder, tsaka kinumbine ko ng coffee. So yeah, lalagay ko siya doon. If you're curious kung bakit ako dito gumagawa sa living room table, is because kung nakita nyo kanina yung kitchen area ko, hindi ganun kalaki. Plus yung table naman ng kitchen or yung dining table namin, sobrang taas. So hindi naman din ako comfortable na gumawa doon. So I'd rather go here. Tapos, ipo-fold ko lang to para magkaroon ng even distribution ng mga ingredients natin. Ilalagay ko na dito. This is chocolate chip. Combine ko na siya together. Ipo-fold ko lang ulit siya. This will be separated muna. Wet ingredients na sugar, vanilla flavor, mga 1 teaspoon lang. Tansya-tansya lang tayo, guys. I'll be adding the egg. Kung hindi ako gumamit ng mixer, guys, I can just use this spoon and then i-mix ko lang ng ganyan. Kasi, still the same. Kung pwede mo naman pasimplihin lang nang wala ka na masyadong ginagamit. So, why not, diba? Okay. From there, i-mix na natin together ang ating dry ingredients and the wet ingredients. Okay na, guys. Here's our cookie dough na. Yan. So, isi-sip ko lang siya for a little while. And then, paantay natin siya na mag-chill lang ng konti. Oh no! Ano ba yan? Nagkalas pa ako. Hi guys. Kanto ko lang. Since it has been super long na nakapag-vlog ako, ngayon nyo lang din siguro mapapansin na I am on a different place. So yeah, madami-dami talaga kami ganap. Sobrang naging busy last year. Plus, we have encountered a lot of problems, a lot of changes in our lives, and we weren't able to share that much to our YouTube channel na. So 2023 and 2024 has been a long journey for us to process our wedding, our marriage registration, both in the Philippines and in Taiwan. Plus, nagkaroon kami ng final decision to have a whole wedding. It was actually an intimate wedding wherein we only invited, of course, yung family ni Sean, nagpunta dito sa Philippines. Yung family ko from province, nagpunta dito sa Manila. And then, we have invited our closest friends and relatives, parang tipon-tipon lang to celebrate our marriage together, and we are so happy on what have happened. Preheating tayo for 10 minutes and then mag-mold na ako ng at least 6 pieces dun sa baking sheet, and then ipapasok natin siya dito kapag kuminit na itong ating oven. Hey guys, a very sad update. Unfortunately, my cookies didn't cook well. Burnt siya. Ang pagkakaluto niya is not even. Burnt ang sa baba, sa taas hindi naluto. Actually, yung kanina na first batch na ginawa ko, yun, yung problem talaga is burnt sa baba. I thought I can still save it, pero wala. Hindi, it turns out that hindi na lagay sa proper setting ang aking oven. That's why, akala ko na nailagay ko siya sa tamang button na yung taas and baba is nag-hit. Pero, ang nangyari pala, hindi siya totally na push dun sa setting mismo, kaya hindi gumana yung sa taas. So, tinatry ko pa din siyang i-save, but unfortunately, it's not as good as what I'm expecting. Ayan siya, meron naman akong naluto, although, ito yung baba niya, but sa taas, it's still super like hilaw or super chewy. Makakain mo. But this isn't the type of the cookies that I would even want to eat. Kung ako lang din naman kakain, hindi ko siya kakainin kasi hindi ko siya gusto. So, yeah. Our cookie unfortunately didn't go as planned. Hindi ko magagawa yung pagbigay ng mga cookies on tomorrow. But I'll try again to do another set now. So, let's see. So, nandito na din pala si Sean. There. Pero ayaw niyang pakita sa video. And I told him already about the bad news, but he said it's okay, you don't need to.